These days, there are many brands and models of espresso machines as there are flavors of coffee. And like coffee, they range from relatively simple to the fairly complex to the utterly exotic. We have reviewed and narrowed down best products to help you determine which one you should buy. Number 5 on the list is DeLonghi ECP3420. The 3-in-1 filter holder included with the unit has a holder for 1 espresso shot, a holder for 2 shots, and one for an easy serve espresso pod. A manual frother that does not require movement mixes steam and milk to create a rich, creamy froth of evenly textured drinks. It's easy to refill the water. The steamer is awesome. It works well without fancy technique. You just stiff it in your milk and it works fine. Also, it comes apart for easy cleaning. 15 bar professional pressure assures quality results every time, and adjustable controls enable you to make modifications for your personal taste preferences. And finally, rapid cappuccino system maintains the optimal temperature so you can brew cup after cup instantly. The 4th one on the list is Krupp's EA8250. The machine is equipped with a metallic conical grinder that ensures ground coffee will always be consistent in terms of size. In addition, grind coffee size will be adaptable manually. Krupp's recommends the finer setting for the espresso-based preparations and the coarser setting for the coffee. With the help of the LCD screen and ergonomic knob, you can simply navigate through the menu and choose your recipe and number of cups. Krupp's has developed its unique patented thermoblock system which will help the machine preheat faster and guarantee a perfect tamping, a perfect temperature, and time management for extraction and a hot cup each and every time. The steam wanded worked well with no mess and produced a very nice froth and fully adjustable for many positions. We really like the spill tray as it has a float in it that rises to let you know when it's full. And finally, it comes with transparent bean container with 275 gram capacity, a removable coffee cake container, and a removable drip tray. The 3rd one on the list is Keurig Revo R500. With this machine, you can easily and quickly brew Lavazze authentic Italian espresso, cappuccino, or iced beverages. The design is convenient that allows you to brew espresso on one side and froth milk on the other side. It creates the perfect froth from whole milk to skim and even non-dairy options. This machine makes really tasty lattes and cappuccinos. It comes with 3 frothing modes: cappuccino, latte, and cold froth. Other features include a 12-count Revo variety sampler pack, adjustable drip tray, removable water reservoir with capacity markings, and the plastic exterior and stainless steel interior construction make it look like a solid machine. The 2nd one is Nespresso Inicia. The machine has a tiny footprint. It's compact, lightweight, and equipped with an ergonomic handle. There's virtually no waiting for the machine to warm up before you make your coffee selection. In just one touch and 25 seconds, the water reaches the ideal temperature to make up to 9 coffees without having to refill the 2.3 ounce tank. You can adjust the cup size with 2 programmable espresso and lungo buttons. The machine is the least expensive Nespresso ever by a long shot. It comes with one-touch operation and patented extraction system which delivers up to 19 bar pressure. An energy-saving mode automatically switches the machine off after 9 minutes. It looks fabulous on the counter. Even the little tray that you lift up to use a larger mug is smart. It drops automatically when you remove your mug. Why? To catch the drips. It's just brilliant. The first one on the list is Brewal BES 870XL. Now this machine comes with 2 dual-wall pressurized filters that regulate pressure and help optimize the extraction. It includes 2 single-wall non-pressurized filters that give you more room to experiment with different grind sizes, grind amounts, and tamping pressure. In addition to its integrated grinder, the Breville Barista Express has an Italian manufactured 15 bar pump and thermocoil heating system that ensures accurate regulation of water temperature for a full flavored espresso. What we love about this machine is that it has a cup warmer on top of the machine and a feature that removes excess water from the filter basket after coffee extraction, so the used grounds form a dry puck for quicker cleanup. Lastly, it has a stainless steel 360-degree swivel action steam wand for lattes and cappuccinos.